my Train Horny fans. I am JC and today I am reacting to another train horn pranks. This will be interesting. Let's go. Hopefully this will be a good one. Amazing train horns. Let's see if they are.
That was awesome.
I missed it. I want to see it.
How we doing? Little Regis coming out today. Go, boss.
Sorry about that.
They're not. Oh no.
Blow the horn now.
No, don't.
Horn. Go.
Yeah, go. That was worth it.
Sorry.
No, you're not.
Sorry about that.
No, you're not.
Go.
How's that for a honk?
Go.
Oh my goodness. They're ducks?
Go. I'm ready. Yeah.
What's up, people scaring birds? Seriously.
Yeah. And go. Stop. There you go. Never say never.
Hey, you see those bikers?
Hold on. Yeah.
These bikers.
Uh-oh. Oh dear.
Wow. Go. Snorlax right here. Go. Open Winfrey.
Wow. Not even a reaction.
Sorry about that.
No, you're not. Slow motion.
Yep.
I like those glasses, man. Nice purple glasses.
They keep looking back.
How you doing today, sir?
He's like, what the?
I love your dog skills, sir. How you doing today, sir? You like that, sir? Hey, sir, was that pretty loud? Did we scare you?
Oh no, the kids.
Yeah.
Oh, I think she's on the phone. No, no.
Sorry about that, guys.
No, you're not.
I'm good whenever you are.
Oh, Harkins. She just looks.
What was that? Did it jump? I'm ready. Go ahead.
Oh man. Good ones. And non-good ones, but toaster.
I'm too mature for that.
Good? Yeah.
Yeah.
What's up, brother? She's all hooked. Yeah. What's up, brother? Go. Go. Woo! Woohoo! No, go forward a little bit and go. Nice. The dad jumped more. That's epic.
Oh yeah, he did. That's too funny. Uh-oh.
Do it again.
The other kids did not know what to do. They did not know what they could cross or what. That's too funny.
And do it again. What's up, brother? Go. Yeah, brother! What's
Those
up?
gringos, I've been there before.
Hey! What's up?
Okay, I kind of know where they are
That
now.
was epic.
I realized the
amazing.
Yeah, I think they're in Arizona because I can tell by the restaurants and stuff.
Do it.
And stores. Sit.
What's up, bro? Was that funny? That's a loud horn, huh? Alright, ready? Are you recording? Go.
Did they jump?
Yeah, they did. All three of them. Oh, poor kitty. Toaster.
You like that?
They're not even looking. That's funny. No,
There we go.
she's like, where the hell did that come from? They're both looking. You still recording? Yeah, I'm still recording. She's looking at us.
Even that guy's looking at you guys, and he's like, what the heck? And they are in and out.
He's still
Just honk at him. Yeah.
Alright. Toaster.
Nice Scion, man. Did yours have a train horn? When I got mine, it came with a train horn. You want to hear it?
Somehow I don't believe you.
No, I can't. Oh, I just blurred it.
Mine came with a train horn, dude.
Wow, and that was news. Yeah, News Channel 3. Okay. Oh! Down to the ground.
Hey, what's up, brothers?
Oh man. Oh, no, it's Santan Mall. Okay.
Shot it. Yep.
I don't know what's more funnier, the kids' reactions or the adults' reactions.
How are you doing today, sir? I am sorry about that. You have a wonderful day.
No, you're not, and I can't really tell who you're scared, but whatever. Alrighty. Well, that was interesting. Some good ones, some not bad, not good ones, but who knows. Well, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I gotta edit out as usual. Bye!